Say happy birthday, Daddy.
Oh.
Ziva's not at all interested in that. Birthday?
Thank you.
Can you say happy birthday, Daddy?
Daddy.
Birthday, Daddy. That's for Daddy's birthday? Gift?
Thank you.
You want to give him the big box? Oh, you're good at giving out gifts. That's for Daddy also. Oh, Ziva, you picked out such a good garden statue. Does Daddy love it?
I do.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Something else also?
Careful, Z. I'll hold it.
And a wind chime. Thank you.
Say happy birthday, Daddy.